How you feel when you get this type of surprises? All your tiredness went away, isn't it? After getting so much love from your kids, you feel like all your hard work paid off. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you feels like you never have enough storage in your kitchen, sometimes depend on how you are storing and where you can store actually. In small kitchen, every inch of storage is a hot commodity. Only thing we need to realize that possible storage area. Few areas in our kitchen are neglected because we never thought of that space or area which can be perfect for storage. Also, sometimes the way we organize things are not functional and we just tend to keep things here and there. Small kitchen organization can be done very easily. You just need to see how you can use the available space and what all things you wanted to keep on your counter and what all things you wanted to keep inside the cabinets and drawers. Few very good space like above the cabinet or above the fridge we always ignore and it got wasted without right utilization. Let's see how to keep our small kitchen organized in a very functional way. Many times we wonder where to store drinking glasses which we may use occasionally, but these glassware need to be organized in a safe way and should be easily accessible to everyone. You can dedicate one of your drawer totally for these glasses if you don't have a separate cabinet for glassware. Before placing them, I lay the mat to cover the gaps and placed a DIY tray and few baskets so that to make them more stable while pulling the drawer. Organizing your kitchen paper towel, you can use paper towel organizer. Different types of organizers are available in market and in online also, but if you don't want to buy any organizer, you can use such type of container and store your paper towel roll in that. It is very easy to pull the paper also from the container, and when we store like this, we save them from getting dirty from dust. Try this idea of organizing your paper towel, you will love it. Keeping things handy and near your reach while cooking or working in kitchen will save lots of your time and energy. And if it is a small kitchen, we need to keep everything on our countertop so that everything will remain in our arm's reach whenever needed. So keep them on your countertop but use trays and baskets to organize them in a way so that it will look neat and organized and serve the purpose too. While organizing, I would like to tell you about this very amazing shopping website from where you can check nice kitchen products. Miralink website will provide you cash on delivery, free delivery and very easy returns and replacement in 5 days. You can avail many offers, discounts also Do check the website for amazing shopping experience. All links are given in video's description. Also, you can use the WhatsApp link for easy shopping. From many months, and this is very useful for organizing anything. You can organize all your coffee and tea cups along with the tea box and tea kettle, or you can use it completely for storing your containers. Overall, this is a multi-purpose organizer you must add in your kitchen. Most of us struggle to get free space if we have small kitchen. You can always use space like top of your cabinet or ovens or fridge. Don't forget to use tray to organize small containers and jars. It will be very easy to take out things, and also whenever you want to use the oven, you can just remove the tray easily without disturbing your containers one by one. I am storing few of my dry fruits jar and a glass for few cutlery. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you like watching my videos, consider subscribing my channel for new videos. See you soon. Take care and bye.